Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor. If you love elegant wooden decor ideas, be sure to subscribe to our channel and share this video with friends. Stay tuned for inspiring home decor tips that add luxury and style. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Today, we're focusing on the elegant world of wooden decor, specifically for creating luxurious and captivating door adornments. Wooden decor has timeless appeal, blending traditional craftsmanship with modern aesthetics. An expensive door decor crafted from high-quality wood can instantly elevate the entrance of any home, making it look grand and inviting. The richness of wood, with its natural grains and textures, adds warmth and sophistication to your decor. Whether you prefer intricate carvings or minimalist designs, wood offers endless possibilities to express your style. The key to achieving an expensive look lies in selecting the right type of wood, such as rosewood, teak, or mahogany, which are known for their durability and luxurious finish. Incorporating wooden elements into door decor is not just about aesthetics but also about durability and longevity, ensuring your decor remains stunning for years to come. One of the most popular trends in door decor is the use of carved wooden panels. These panels often feature intricate patterns inspired by traditional motifs or modern, geometric designs. Carving adds depth and texture, giving your door a regal appearance. For an expensive feel, opt for hand-carved designs crafted by skilled artisans. The craftsmanship involved in hand carving enhances the uniqueness of each piece, making your door truly one of a kind. You can choose designs that complement your home's overall theme, whether it's vintage, contemporary, or fusion. The natural finish of the wood, combined with detailed carvings, creates a luxurious effect that catches the eye. Incorporating LED lighting around carved panels can further enhance the visual appeal, especially during evenings. Remember, investing in quality craftsmanship and premium wood ensures durability and a refined look that exudes sophistication. Another inspiring idea is to use wooden frames with decorative inlays. Inlay work involves embedding different materials like brass, copper, or mother of pearl into the wood surface, creating stunning patterns and accents. For door decor, inlay work can be used to frame the main design or to add subtle detailing around the edges. This technique adds a layer of luxury and intricacy to your decor. Choosing contrasting materials enhances the visual impact, making your door look opulent. Gold or brass inlays, in particular, give a rich, regal appearance reminiscent of antique doors found in palaces. These details can be customized to suit your style, whether traditional or modern. Combining inlay work with high-quality wood results in a piece that is both durable and visually stunning, ensuring that your door decor stands out as a statement piece. For a contemporary twist on traditional wood decor, consider using sleek, minimalist wooden panels with clean lines and smooth finishes. These designs emphasize the natural beauty of wood, showcasing its grain and texture. Combining different shades of wood, such as light and dark finishes, can create a striking contrast that adds depth and dimension. This style works well for modern homes aiming for an understated luxury look. To enhance the sense of sophistication, incorporate subtle metallic accents or smart lighting to highlight the natural patterns of the wood. Minimalist wood decor is versatile, complementing various architectural styles and color schemes. It's also easier to maintain, making it an ideal choice for those seeking elegance without elaborate detailing. Adding decorative wooden appliques and motifs is another excellent way to elevate door decor. These appliques can be floral, geometric, or abstract, and are often made from carved or laser-cut wood pieces. Applying these embellishments to the main wooden panel creates a layered, textured effect that looks both artistic and luxurious. For a more opulent appearance, gild the appliques with gold or silver leaf, adding a shimmer that catches the light. These decorative touches can be customized to reflect cultural themes or personal preferences, making your door uniquely yours. When combined with high-quality wood and precise craftsmanship, appliques transform a simple door into a work of art, radiating elegance and class. Lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing wooden door decor. Installing subtle LED strip lights along the edges or behind carved panels can dramatically elevate the overall aesthetic. The warm glow accentuates the natural grains of the wood, creating a cozy yet sophisticated ambience. For an expensive look, opt for dimmable lighting options that allow you to adjust brightness according to the mood. Highlighting intricate carvings or inlay work with focused lighting makes the details pop and draws attention to the craftsmanship. Proper lighting not only accentuates the beauty of your wooden decor but also adds a layer of security and visibility to your entrance. Thoughtful lighting design combined with high-quality wood decor results in an impressive, luxurious entrance. Sustainable and eco-friendly wood options are gaining popularity among homeowners who value both luxury and responsibility. Reclaimed wood and sustainably sourced hardwoods provide an authentic, rustic charm while reducing environmental impact. These materials often develop a beautiful patina over time, adding character and uniqueness to your door decor. Incorporating eco-friendly wood into your design demonstrates a commitment to sustainability without compromising on style. You can opt for reclaimed wood panels, frame accents, or carved motifs. The natural imperfections and aged finish of reclaimed wood give your door an exclusive, vintage appeal that exudes elegance and authenticity. Sustainable wood decor proves that luxury can be environmentally conscious. In addition to traditional wood finishes, experimenting with painted or stained wood can yield stunning results. Dark walnut, cherry, or ebony stains create a rich, deep look that signifies opulence. Conversely, lighter shades like honey or maple give a fresh, airy feel while still maintaining elegance. For a truly customized appearance, consider hand-painting intricate patterns or motifs onto the wooden surface. Metallic paints or gilded accents can add a glamorous touch, making your door decor stand out. These color treatments can also complement the overall color scheme of your home, creating a cohesive aesthetic. Combining paint, stain, and natural wood textures allows for creative versatility, helping you craft a bespoke, luxurious entrance. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Your support helps us bring more inspiring decor ideas. Stay tuned for more, and thank you again for being part of our community.